We begin with senators pushing for a more transparent and back-to-basics 2027 national budget. This includes stronger measures to prevent corruption. Mobile journalist Julie Baisa with tonight's top story.
The Senate Committee on Finance has begun discussing the proposed 2027 national budget amounting to 7.2 trillion pesos. Finance Secretary Frederick Go, Acting Budget Secretary Kim Robert De Leon, Department of Economy, Planning and Development Chief Arsenio Balisacan, and Bangko Sentral Governor Eli Remolona were on hand to brief the senators. They make up the Development Budget Coordination Committee or DBCC. At the outset, Senator J.V. Ejercito, chairman of the Finance Committee, said the upper chamber is eyeing a back-to-basics budget for next year. This means national funds going to basic needs of Filipinos: food, health, education, infrastructure, livelihoods, and security.
Definitely, we will give priority to healthcare implementation this time. At the very outset, the Senate budget deliberation, I want to make our positions clear as chairman of the Committee on Finance. Again, reiterate that healthcare will be among our highest priorities. As the principal sponsor of this measure, I remain committed to seeing this promise to be fully realized.
Ejercito assured that in scrutinizing the proposed spending bill, they will not allow the waste, misuse, and corruption of public funds to happen again.
Sa bawat ahensya ng gobyerno na haharap sa atin, simple ngunit mahalagang tanong ang nais nating masagot: kailangan ba talaga ang pondong ito? Makatuwiran ba ang halaga? Handa na ba ang proyekto? Kailan ba ito matatapos? At sino ang mananagot kung hindi ito maipapatupad? Lagi na nating ikonsidera ang necessity at feasibility sa pagtalakay ng budget. Hindi po ito para lamang pahirapan ang mga ahensya.
The Senate vows monitoring and prohibition of any last-minute insertions at the Bicameral Conference Committee or BICAM. Live streaming of the BICAM deliberations will continue. The Senate Budget Transparency Portal will also be maintained. Ejercito said public trust in the budget process and in the government needs to be restored.
Sa usapin ng korupsyon at maling paggamit ng pondo ng bayan, naririnig namin ang inyong mga hinaing at naunawaan namin ang inyong mga damdamin at panawagan para sa transparency at gobyernong mapagkakatiwalaan. Bilang chairman ng Senate Committee on Finance, hindi natin papayagan na ang pondo ng bayan ay muling masasayang, mawaldas at mapunta sa maling mga kamay.
Moreover, the call for more disciplined spending comes as the country's economic growth is low to 2.3% in the second quarter, the weakest pace since 2021. The proposed 2027 budget is already 6% higher than this year's spending plan. With fiscal space remaining limited, Ejercito said the government must distinguish between spending and spending that produces results. Education again gets the lion's share of 7.2 trillion budget. DPWH comes in second, followed by Health and Security. Over the lower house, the Department of Public Works and Highways is already requesting additional funding, including 83.84 billion pesos for locally funded flood control projects. In 2026, this item received zero or no budget in light of the flood control scandal. DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon says they intend to tighten their oversight of how this fund will be used.
Ang problema lang talaga, marami kaming kailangang ayusin ng mga napag-iwanan nitong mga pambababoy nitong mga projects sa all over the country, especially in Bulacan.
Out of the 20,000 flood control projects, the agency has also reduced this number to 11,000. According to Dizon, they have removed duplicate projects in different regions. This is to avoid project overlapping in flood mitigation. The controversial leadership funds under the agency have also been scrapped. The DBM likewise ordered that under the Basic Infrastructure Program, all projects worth 5 million pesos or less be removed. The agency also needs to limit the LDL number of initiatives handled by district engineers and regional directors. For its part, the palace also assures that the 2027 budget is free of discretionary funds. These funds are allocated for optional projects, emergencies, or small-scale uses where leaders have the authority to decide how the money is used.
Walang discretionary funds sa 2027 budget. Lahat ng mga nakalista dyan ay may program of work, halimbawa pagdating sa DPWH, lahat yan may dokumento, lahat yan may programa.
Kapatid Mobile Journal Julie Baiza, We Are One News.